In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check on Notion. If those little red squiggly lines under words are distracting when you're writing, this quick walkthrough will show you how to turn them off and how to turn them back on later if you change your mind. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and head to any page where you can type. To clearly see what we're changing, type a word incorrectly on purpose. When Notion detects a typo or a misspelled word, you'll notice a red, broken underline appear beneath it. That underline is the visual cue that spell check is active. Now, to disable it, first highlight the text that's underlined. You can drag your cursor over the word or the entire phrase. Either works. With the text selected, right-click to open the context menu. In that menu, look for an option that says Disable Spell Check. If you see it, simply click it. That's all there is to it. After you disable it, the red underline should disappear from the highlighted word, and you shouldn't see new red underlines as you continue typing on that page. If you right-click and you don't see the option on your end, don't worry. Sometimes the wording or availability of that toggle varies, and it may not show up in every view. The key idea is the same. Select the underlined text, right-click, and, when the Disable Spell Check option appears, choose it. If it's visible for you, one click will switch it off. A couple of quick tips while you're doing this. Make sure you're clicking directly inside a text block rather than an empty area of the page. The menu you want only appears when the cursor is within editable text. If you see suggested corrections in the menu, avoid clicking those for now. They'll change the word. Instead, focus on finding the toggle that controls spell check. Also, if you're testing it, try typing another intentional typo after disabling to confirm the red underline no longer appears. If you decide later that you'd like spell check back, just repeat the same process. Highlight some text in Notion, right-click to open the menu, and choose Enable Spell Check if that option is available. It's the same path, just the opposite toggle. That's it. You've learned how to spot the red underline, how to disable spell check from the right-click menu, and how to re-enable it using the same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Notion workspace distraction-free.